With one click, you can make your PC faster. Sounds magical, right? Well, it is, and there's a spell for that. And I learned it back when I was a student at Hogwarts. And today, I'm going to share the spell to you. So, write it down. And it is hardware acceleration. The term hardware acceleration is used to describe tasks being offloaded to specific device or hardware which specialize in those tasks. By default, most of the computers and application task your CPU first when you throw any task at it. And why not? It is one of the most capable component on your PC, and I can dare say it is the brain of the operation. And like us and human brains, you can't lift a glass with your brain, right? Unless you have a telekinetic powers, which I don't. Do you? Regardless, you will be better off lifting that glass of water with your hands because these are meant for that, including various other things. Like your hands, there are other components in your PC which are meant for specific tasks, and they can do those tasks better than your CPU. For an example, your GPU is better when it comes to handling physics and making fast mathematical calculation than your CPU. So how to turn it on? At OS level, hardware acceleration is already turned on, but what you can do is go to your Windows search bar and search graphics settings, then click on it and then enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. What is hardware accelerated GPU scheduling? Well, that's a topic for another day, but for now, you know that it will make your PC smoother and faster relatively. And you can also enable hardware acceleration to application basis. Some applications will hugely benefit if you do that, like Premiere Pro or any other editing, rendering or compositing software. And if you are a streamer, then turn on hardware acceleration on your OBS. But all applications are not created equally. Some will give you the feature to enable hardware acceleration, but those applications are not well optimized for that. So rather than making your PC faster or that application faster, it will make that application much more buggy. So the best option is to try it yourself. Enable it, use it, then make a choice. Is it buggy enough to disable it, or is it fast enough to enable? And to know if your specific application supports hardware acceleration or not, well, just Google it, man, and then try it yourself and tell me in the comment section whether it worked or not. I would be waiting for your response. Until then, you can like this video if you enjoyed it, and if you haven't, then leave a dislike if you want to. And if you want to watch more videos from us, check out this video right here. And if you want to subscribe, which I very much appreciate if you do that, well, do it by here. And there's Akash, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.